So I guess to open this thing, you have to rip it here, because I don't know if this is correct or not, if this is correct, the correct way to open it or not. But let's just see. I guess it was the correct way. The perfect, not perfect, just blue interior. Wi-Fi access required for first time setup. Got the neoprene case, Blackberry. Some instructions. Got the charger. Bunch of instructions in here in different languages. Seen this still, the band around it and everything like that. Here's the USB cord, I think. I'm just gonna get it started up, and as it says right here, important Wi-Fi access required for first time setup. Just gonna go near my router just to get it together, and I'll get back.